Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to change the font size in Visual Studio 2022. Without any further ado, let us start the video. For that guys, if you are recording any video, this looks very small, right? How to change that? For that guys, click on the tools, click on the options. If you click on the options, the font and colors is the tab you have to click, and text editor is this one, text editor. If I change it here, let's say 13, if you click on OK, you can see the entire text editor width is increased, but not the other things, right? For the other things also you can do the same. Go to tools, click on option, click on environment, env, go to env, and it is size is disabled. You can select any other thing. Let me select Arial. Let me select the size as 13 and click on OK. Now you can see each and everything is changed. So that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.